national forest, and we're driving into it right now. It's an hour and 30 minutes.
Yeah, about
Hour 20-minute drive from New Orleans. It's located in Mississippi State. It's near the city Gulfport in Mississippi. Yep. Biloxi is also next to Gulfport. So, yeah. And the national forest is pretty big. There's like 2 segments of it. We're going to the southern portion of it.
yeah.
And we're gonna hike on this trail. I'll show you the name of the trail. It's kind of hard to pronounce, but I'll show you when there's a sign. Yep. So this is like one of our first time to dedicatedly go to national forest just to hike, not go into other national park and drive by the national forest.
Yeah, they are often next to each other.
Yeah. So we'll see how it is. It's managed by the Department of Forestry or something, right? Instead of the National Park Service, different service.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna check it out. Alright, we have arrived the Soto National Forest, Tuxachanie hiking trail. It's right next to a major highway, so it's very loud. So we have arrived and we're gonna start the hike now. Yay! Hiking trail map. Alright, we're at the trailhead and there is like a historic explanation of the location here and how they start the town.
Yeah, there used to be a town here.
There used to be a town, like old picture here. Yep. And we're gonna start hiking. There's actually plenty of historic sign along the way. Pretty interesting. Talk about a little story of how people used to live here.
Yeah.
And how they use the forest for their living situation.
Like making. Sap from wood and blah, blah, blah. Pretty cool.
Alright, keep going.没有降下去。Little bridge in the front. Lucina says the more towards the forest we walk, the quieter it is and more wilderness here.
Yeah, because I think at the entrance, a lot of people still like use it as a pit stop. So it's kind of not as clean because there's so many traffic. But as we go in deeper and deeper, it's like nicer.
And the floor is really well paved as well, very easy to walk.
Yeah, it's pretty flat.
Yeah, it's really flat.
But I bet in summer this place will be miserable.
It's really cool right now. It's April and the temperature is like 60s.
Yeah.
It's really cool, very nice.
But there's already some bugs flying around. I mean,
a lot of
summer,
bugs. Full of bugs here.
yeah. You see the pond, that's a perfect breeding ground.
Yeah, so we walk half a mile, as you can see. On the way, there are these milestone tells you how far you are, so you don't get lost and you know where exactly you are. So we already walked half a mile. Yep. I think we're walking around 2.5 miles, 2 to 2.5 mile one way, and come back. 5 miles. The whole trail is like 11 miles one way, all the way to the prisoner of war camp, which we will drive there later. Just to, there's like different parts of the park, all car accessible. You don't have to hike it all the way. Yeah. Okay.
Pretty cool.
Yep.
It's a pretty nice.
What?
It's a really nice spot to do a hike and camping trip. Hiking and camping trip.
Yeah, we saw some Boy Scout like gonna camp here too.
Yeah. That sounds like fun.
Okay, we have hiked 1 mile. Look, 1 mile, and it's no one on the way. It's like secluded, just us. And it took us around 25 minutes to walk 1 mile. Oh, 前面有独木桥哎。This is thin bridge. Stina challenged Stina's dexterity. Wow, that's so cool. Crossing the creek. Very stable. Woo! On the bridge, on the bridge. So it's pretty nice. There's like no one, absolutely no one on this part of the trail. We're only a mile in, and there's some spider web along the way. And it's mostly shaded, this trail. So it's pretty nice, but be sure to bring your bug spray. Hi, Stina. What are you doing? Look, you're sneezing. You're sitting on a bridge. Really?
The creek is so clean.
I know, it's so peaceful here.
I'm gonna get up.
Climb up. Okay, let's cross the bridge. Alright, we're at the 2-mile mark.
Yay.
There's no 1.5 mark, or we missed it. We didn't see it at all.
I know.
And it's been an hour. It took about, and first mile took 30 minutes. The second mile took another 30 minutes. Yeah, around 30 minutes per mile here. Very easy walk. Yep. So we'll walk maybe 1 more mile and then head back, right? By the way, there's no bathroom, no water fountain, nothing on this trail.
Not even trash can.
There's trash can in the beginning of the trailhead, but there's no bathroom in the trailhead or water fountain. So bring your own water supply.
And bring your own tissue paper.
Yeah. I guess bathroom is just anywhere when there's no one.
Dig a hole.
Dig a hole. And no alcohol consumption in the national forest as well.
There's usually no alcohol
On federal land. Okay. Keep hiking. So there's several bridges along the way, pretty cool.
I know, and the scenery keep changing, so it's not always the same.
Just for it. Yeah, there's like water, shade, sun. Yeah, keep changing.
And sometimes in the forest, in the wood.
Yep.
Into the wood.
Into the wood. Hi. How are you doing? Yeah. 哎，终于遇到路人了。
I know.
因为我们经过另外一条主街，然后车子就可以停在那边，所以就有人从第2段开始走起。对。Yep. So I think we're official on the second part.
看到一只胖狗狗，拒绝走路的胖狗狗。
Stina is gonna start using sunscreen now.
I need to get another sunscreen. This one's out.
Ew, white poop. In front of us is a super thin bridge.
It's getting narrower and narrower.
It is getting narrower, the bridge. Yep.
It's not a bridge, it's a piece of wood.
Piece of plank. Alright, Stina, go. Are you ready to go?
You go first.
I go first, it's so thin. It's so thin. Wow. It's super dirty water. Alright, crossing. Is it stable? Oh my god, it shakes! Stina's turn.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's tilted too.
Yes, it is. If I jump over there right now, what happens? You'll bounce off and fall in the water.
You'll be buried right around there. And no one will know.
Alright, we have arrived at 4 mile
mark.
4 mile mark.
We're gonna head back now.
We're gonna head back. It took us 2 hours exactly to reach 4 mile.
It's a pretty nice trail, and on the way back we'll also find a decent place to
Eat some whole tree log and sit on there.
Take a break.
Yep, so this whole trail is 11 miles. We only finished like 1/3. And we're done. We're heading back. Woo! Nice.
哦，有回音呢。
Ah, wow, wow, wow! Do it. Your turn.
No, I don't want to do it.
Ah! Stina! Alright, gonna head back. Thanks for watching part 1 of the DeSoto National Forest. In the second part, we will be having a picnic by the lake. Also, we will be going to prisoner of war camp, and it's extremely beautiful there. Check that out. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye! Thank you for watching our video. JS Adventure is a snippet of our daily lives and travel.
谢谢收看我们的频道 JS Adventure 记录了我们的日常生活跟旅游记事。
Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't. See you guys next time.
下集见，
拜拜。